are going to perform a practical of pharmaceutical organic chemistry in which we are going to prepare the molecular model of some organic compound. So the aim of the practical is to construct the molecular models of some organic compound. So before performing the experiment, first of all let us discuss the basic outline of the experiment. Molecular models play an important role in understanding the basic concept of chemistry, in which we can explore the various concepts of chemistry like bonding, isomerism, or you can understand the various functions present in the organic molecule. The molecular model also used to represent the three-dimensional arrangement of the molecule. So by constructing the molecular model, we can easily visualize the molecule in three-dimensional shape. So for this experiment, we require a molecular model kit. This is the molecular model kit. You can see here is the periodic chart of the element. So you can take help while constructing the molecular model of some organic compound. Secondly, there is a booklet which gives you an idea about the use of this atomic model set. The model contains various plastic balls having different color, and this different color having specific meaning according to international color code. So let us study one by one. For example, this is black ball. The black ball represent the carbon atom. Okay. Now you can see another balls are in black color. Now what is the basic difference between these two balls? You can clearly see that this ball having four groups, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So if you want to construct the molecular model of methane, like methane having formula of CH4 in which 4 bonds are formed. So we can take this type of ball. If you want to construct the molecular model that having carbon-carbon double bond, then we require this type of black color ball in which these two groups are slightly closer to each other and two groups are distant from each other. And if we want to construct the molecular model of compound which having carbon-carbon triple bond, then we need the black color ball which having three groups slightly closer to each other and the one group is distant from each other. Now these are white balls. These white balls are used to represent the hydrogen atom. These are the connector, or you can say linker. These linkers are used to represent the bond. So when we want to construct the model which having carbon-carbon double bond, then we require two connectors. If there is triple bond in our molecule, then we require three connectors. Okay, and these connectors you can see that they are made up of plastic and they are flexible, so they can be easily connect to the atom. These green ball represent the monovalent nonmetals like halogen, for example chlorine. So if you want to construct the molecular model which having chlorine atom, then we require this ball in which there is one group for the formation of bond. There are two balls which are orange in color. You can see one is bigger in size and another is in smaller in size. Okay, the bigger size having 20 number and this having a small size having 15 number. So bigger size ball which are orange in color used to represent the monovalent metal like sodium. So whenever you want to construct a molecular model having sodium atom, then we require this orange ball with one group. If you want to construct the molecular model with calcium atom, then we require this smaller orange ball in which there are two groups which are slightly closer to each other. The another are blue color balls. Blue color represent the nitrogen atom. So when we want to construct the molecular model of nitrogen containing compound, then we require this blue color ball. Okay, and we know that the valency of the nitrogen is 3. So you can see that there are 3 grooves for the formation of bond. Color balls. Okay, you can see the yellow color ball again in two sizes. The one is in 6 number, 8 number and the 30 number. Okay, the small yellow ball is in 30 number, which is used to represent the trivalent metals like aluminium. So you can see there are 3 grooves for the formation of bond. These big yellow balls are used to represent the divalent, tetravalent and hexavalent metals. For example, sulfur. And we know that the valency of the sulfur is 2, 4 and 6. So there are 3 type of balls. The first in which there are 2 grooves for the formation of 2 bond. And in the second ball, there are 4 grooves that are slightly closer to each other for the formation of 4 bond. And the third one is the with 6 groove, in which the 4 grooves are slightly closer to each other and 2 grooves are distant from each other. Red color represents the oxygen atom. So when we want to construct the molecular model which having oxygen atom, then we need this red color ball. Now you can see the red color ball having groove in which the 2 groups are slightly closer to each other, and in the next ball the grooves are at a far distance from each other. What does it represent? For example, if you want to construct the molecular model of water, then we require this type of red ball in which the grooves are at a distance from each other. And if you want to construct the molecular model in which oxygen is bonded to double bond like carbonyl group, then we need this type of red ball. We will begin with the procedure in which we learn how to construct the molecular models of organic compound. I will first construct the molecular model of methane, as the molecular formula of methane is CH4. That means we require 1 carbon, that is in sp3 hybridized state, and 4 hydrogen atom. For that, I will take this black ball, as I have already told you that this black ball represents the carbon atom and the 4 groups are at a distance. So for this we require 4 hydrogen atom. So hydrogen atom is taken and it is attached to this group. Similarly, we attach the 4 hydrogen atom and see, this is the molecular model of methane in which the 4 hydrogen atom are attached to the carbon. Okay, now if you look at the geometry of this methane molecule, you can see that these hydrogen atoms are in tetrahedral shape. So the geometry of this methane molecule is tetrahedral in nature, and this tetrahedral angle, that is 109 degree. Next, we are going to prepare the molecular model of ethene. As we know that ethene is a alkene type of molecule in which there is a presence of carbon-carbon double bond, and the carbon is sp2 hybridized. So for this we required a black ball in which the 2 grooves are closer to each other, and we know that in ethene molecule there are 2 carbons, so we require 2 balls. Okay, so first I will take 1 ball. Now attach the connector to the carbon atom and connect it to the another carbon atom. So you can see these 2 connectors represent the carbon-carbon double bond. Now we will satisfy the valency of the carbon, as the valency of the carbon is 4, so we require 2 hydrogen atom for each carbon. So 2 hydrogen atom will attach to the carbon. You can see I am attaching the hydrogen atom to each carbon, and you can see in this way we prepare the molecular model of ethene. So this is ethene molecule in which the geometry is trigonal, planar, and the angle is 120 degree. We are going to prepare the molecular model of ethyne. So this is the type of molecule in which there is a presence of carbon-carbon triple bond, and we know that the carbon is sp hybridized. So we required a ball which having three groups that are slightly closer to each other for the formation of triple bond, and one group is for satisfy the valency of the carbon by attaching hydrogen atom to it. So first this ball is taken, then the connector is attached to the carbon, and now these connector will attach to another carbon which having three group. This is the ethyne molecule in which there is a triple bond and two hydrogen atom. And if you look at the geometry of this molecule, you can clearly see that all the atoms are in the straight line. So the geometry of this ethyne molecule is linear geometry and the angle of 180 degree. Next, I am going to construct the molecular model of nitrogen containing compound. As we know that nitrogen is commonly found in many organic molecules. This molecule that comes into our mind is ammonia. So I am going to show you how we construct the molecular model of ammonia. So for the construction of molecular model of ammonia, we required a ball which is blue in color and 3 hydrogen atom are required. So first I will attach one hydrogen atom, then second, and then third. This is nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atom are attached to which make the ammonia molecule, that is NH3. As we know that the nitrogen having lone pair. So the lone pairs are present on the top of the nitrogen atom, which actually appears like a bump on the nitrogen, and the shape is trigonal pyramidal, or you can say that distorted tetrahedral. So that's why the angle present in the ammonia is 107 degree. That is, we know that oxygen is again the common atom present in various organic molecule, and the simplest molecule that comes into our mind is water molecule. So I am going to show you the construction of the molecular model of water. So for this we required a red ball, as the red ball indicate the oxygen atom. So simply we attach the 2 hydrogen atom to the oxygen. Okay, so clearly you can see this is oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen. Okay, so it become H2O. And again on the oxygen atom there is a presence of 2 lone pair. The one lone pair is on the top of oxygen atom and the another is on the bottom of the oxygen atom. So the geometry is actually, you can see the geometry is the bent shape geometry, and that's why the angle present in water molecule is 104 degree. Now we will prepare molecular model for the aromatic compound. Again, the simplest aromatic compound which comes into our mind is the benzene, and we know the molecular formula of benzene is C6H6 and the carbon is sp2 hybridized. So for the formation of the molecular model of benzene we required a black ball which having 2 groups closer to each other, a carbon which is black in color is taken, and connector is attached to the carbon atom. Okay, make sure that the connector is of same length, and then we required again a second ball, then attach this connector to the second carbon. Okay, now you can see there is a formation of double bond. Now we want to connect this carbon to the another carbon atom, and this is a conjugated system. So now in this we required a one connector only for the formation of single bond. Okay, so I will attach this, and this groove is for the hydrogen atom to satisfy the valency of this carbon. In this way we will attach all the 6 carbon and all the 6 hydrogen atom. You can see the molecular model of benzene, in which you can see there is a conjugated system, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, and 6 single bond. 6 carbons are there and 6 hydrogen atoms are there. Now if you look at the geometry of this benzene ring, you can clearly see all the hydrogen atom are in the same plane. Okay, so the geometry of the benzene is planar and the angle is 120 degree. Experiment, we have prepared 6 molecular models of organic compounds like methane, ethane, ethyne, benzene, ammonia and water. You can also practice another organic compound by using this molecular model kit. This molecular model kit provides you very healthy practice for the formation of the organic molecule and help you a lot for understanding the basic concept of chemistry.